Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm sure you can already tell, we're going to be getting into a Dollar General haul. And I know, a lot of you missed my Dollar Tree hauls. I will be going to the Dollar Tree soon. However, I do have some stuff that I purchased last week or the week before from Dollar General and I've just now gotten around to doing that haul. So let's roll the clip and let's get into it. First and foremost, before I start, if you are new here, I just want to say hey, hi, hello, my name is Tash. Everybody calls me Tash, but my name is Tasha. So I hope that if you're enjoying the content thus far, that you will hit that subscribe button and join our family. Also, you want to smash that bell, that way you don't miss out on any future giveaways. I post a ton of sales. It's not all makeup related. I post lifestyle, home decor, makeup, skincare, all kinds of neat stuff. And you don't want to miss out on any future uploads. Did I already say giveaways? Might have. So anyways, let's go ahead and start out with what I purchased at Dollar General. So I'm running out of some stuff that I needed, such as like my sponges and yada yada yada. So I had to stop at one of the dollar stores. You guys know I haven't been feeling well lately. I'm still kind of just a little bit. So instead of going all the way to my closest Dollar Tree, which is like 20 minutes-ish away with the bad weather and everything, I just said, you know what, the Dollar General is right down the street, and in the country, right down the street, it's kind of like living in the city in Texas. It's city blocks, so right down the street. So it's a little ways away, but not as far as Dollar Tree. So I opted to pick up some stuff from there, and just starting off, I'm not going in any specific order. I'm just gonna grab it. So I needed some new containers. Couldn't think of what they were called. To put the dog's food and stuff like that. Dog's rice, things like that. So the last Betty Crocker ones that I purchased and hauled, I'll leave that video linked here. They were a really cheap plastic. It was really, really thin and everything. So basically when we would go to pull the lid off or put the lid back on, it would just crack. The whole side of it cracked. Here, I mean literally all the way around the container. So I saw that Pillsbury actually makes these, and I found these at the Dollar General, and they're only $1 for 2 of them. And if you guys don't know measurements and things like that, it also has measurements in milliliters on this side, and then on this side it has cups and ounces. So for $2 I got 4 containers. To me they feel like a nice sturdy plastic. I mean, they're not Rubbermaid or Tupperware or anything like that, but I mean for $2 they do the job. So I really, really like these so far. I actually want to go back and get some more because they have larger containers, like the larger rectangle ones. They've got big circle ones. They have some nice stuff. So shout out to Pillsbury for not only making awesome food, but food containers. Alright you guys, so the next product that I picked up was some rubbing alcohol. Now when you live on a farm, or just in general, you can never have too much alcohol. It's $1 for 16 full ounces, and whereas other places like Walmart or whatnot, you would spend $1 and some odd change, almost $2 on this. So rather than do that, it's just plain alcohol. I actually use it to spot clean at makeup brushes, and I just use a container like this. This actually had makeup brush cleaner that came in it, and when it ran out, I just put alcohol in here. You spritz your brush, 1, 2, 3, 4, rub it on a paper towel, and they dry really, really fast. It's really a good way to, sanitize your brushes in between washes. So that's why I picked that up. Oh, I need to fill my bottle before I put it in the bathroom. Alright guys, so the next product that I picked up is by True Living, which is a Dollar General brand, and this is the meat chopper. I picked this up because I watch a lot of vlogs from my favorite YouTubers, and a lot of them use products like this that they found on like Amazon and things like that. So I hate taking a spatula and it's like I'm constantly making noise when I'm trying to do meat. You know what I mean? It just drives me crazy. So I saw this. You just kind of do this with it and it breaks up the meat really nice. So I'm really excited that I found this for only $1 at the dollar store. So can't wait to use it. So the next product that I picked up, I actually already have several different scents of these, and I'm in a position right now where Things that I used to be able to afford, I can't really right now, so not a big deal. I just find great alternatives to those things. That way I'm still enjoying everyday life things. So this is the Suave Pink Grapefruit Energizing Hand Soap with Aloe. And it says fragrance as beautiful as Bath and Body Works. Washes away dirt and germs, won't leave hands feeling dry. So I'm telling you guys, these are really nice, thick, creamy soaps that I feel like really hydrate the skin. The fragrance is really nice. It actually lasts for a good amount of time on the skin, but without being too overpowering, if you know what I mean. Now granted, they are not the Bath & Body Works hand soaps. Nothing will ever compare to that in my opinion, but these are 13.5 ounces, and I believe these are only $1 at Dollar General, and they last a good amount of time. So I've been really enjoying these. I have the rose one, I have an ocean one, a coconut one, this one, and I believe they make a few other ones. Now what they need to come out with is a lavender one and a green tea one. I'd be all over the green tea. But these are really, really good if you guys can find these. So the next product is for my hair. You guys know I love hair products. But when I find that ride or die product that just works, like I'm not letting that go for anything. So I picked up the Suave Captivating Curls Whipped Cream Mousse. This is the only, and I mean only, whipped cream mousse that actually is really nice and creamy. It stays nice and creamy. And it just does such a beautiful job at defining the curls, things like that. Y'all, I could go on and on about this. Now, I will tell you, Suave actually came out with this. It was in a little bit different packaging. They took it away and everybody went crazy, including myself. So they finally brought it back, and it's been back for a while. And even though I test out other products, I like to switch it up and use other products. I will not be without this. So to my curly haired girls, wavy haired girls, any of you guys that have, you know, mixed children, that have mixed hair, even type 4 hair girl, try this. It's not crunchy. It just gives you that really pretty, bouncy, your curls just look so gorgeous. Love this. And it's under $3. You cannot beat that. And it smells good. All right. Moving on to the next product. Nothing exciting. We needed Band-Aids. Alright, so next one is actually by Believe Beauty, and I've known for a while that they came out with body sprays, and I was kind of just like, I'm real funny about scents, and I can actually be pretty picky. So when I saw this one, this is called Bad Girl by Believe Beauty, and it is compared to Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I love that scent, but when I smelled this, I was like, hey, you guys, it smells so good. To me, it smells very, very close to it. It's just like that grown and sexy kind of a smell. I can't wait for Nick to smell this. And it was really affordable. So this was well under $5. You get 8 full ounces, just like a Bath & Body Works spray, only it's way cheaper. Now, I can't attest to the length, like the longevity of how long the scent lasts, but girl. Alright, y'all, the next thing I picked up was toothbrushes. To me, I'm not going to spend $10 to $100 on a toothbrush. They all do the same thing in my opinion. So I picked up this pink AIM one for me. I like the soft bristles, and I picked up the close-up in medium for Nicholas. So the next thing I always pick up at the Dollar Tree, even though this was Dollar General, is trash bags. They're nice and cheap. They do the job. My studio trashes, I have 2 in here, so I go through these quite frequently. So I picked these up for $1. Now you guys know I am ride or die for our dogs. I'm ride or die for all of our animals, but the dogs, of course, are my babies. So I can't go to the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, Family Dollar, any of the dollar stores without buying my babies something. So this is by Good and Fun. They are the triple flavor wings, and I thought these were really cute. They're actually going to get one tonight, and it just looks like something that they will enjoy, so... Alright, so you guys know the reason I go to the Dollar Tree in the first place generally is because I have to have my sponges, my trash bags, I like to check for new makeup, things like that. Well, these guys, it's so weird because I actually started getting the same sponges that I get at Dollar Tree. I started buying those at Dollar... Y'all, that scent smells good. Y'all gotta try that. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway, So those sponges, I literally started buying those at Dollar General, and for whatever reason, I don't know if they don't make them anymore for DG or what, but I had to go into their dollar aisle and find an alternative because every large pack of sponges was completely gone. And I'm and this ones that they had similar to the ones I get from Dollar Tree, no, they were like a 3-pack, very flimsy. No, 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 no. So I picked these up, and these are the striped scour sponges. You get a 3-pack, and they felt really nice, like they really get the grime off of your dishes. So they come like this in 3-packs. I did pick up 3 of them because I didn't know when I'm going to get to the Dollar Tree. The weather has been so crazy here in Northern Illinois. Just woo. So totally unpredictable, but I think these are going to be really nice and really comparable, and I feel like these are going to last a lot longer. So the next one I picked up is the plastic scrubber sponges, and they're kind of the same, just a little bit thicker, and I feel like these are going to last a lot longer than the ones I just put in the bag, as well as the ones that I go crazy for at the Dollar Tree. If you have not checked out my other Dollar Tree videos, I will leave a playlist link down below so that you can binge watch if you like. So, the next product I picked up, I'm kind of embarrassed to say this one, but it's like we all do it, so like who cares? But my mom turned me on to the poopery, okay? I'm just saying. You know, I feel like no matter how long you're with somebody, nobody wants to talk about the smell that comes out, you know, after you do your business. So I saw that in the dollar aisle at DG, they had Poopsie Daisy pre-toilet spray and a citrus fragrance. And again, you spray before you go. It was $1. Comment down below if you've tried this, if it works, if it doesn't work. But it smells similar to the poopery, like, actually, it smells just like it, so I'm kind of curious, so I will update you guys in the description box. Alright, so another product that I wanted to try out that was really inexpensive, even though the drugstore brand is like $6 or $7, so completely affordable. If you can find it for $1 or, you know, $2, then why not try it and see if it's just as good. So this is the personal care all-in-one micellar cleansing water. No parabens, it's oil-free, you get 13.5 ounces, so about the same price as the Garnier, and I just wanted to see if it was just as good. You know, I'm human, I'm like everybody else, though I take pride in my skincare, and I preach all the time that skincare is so important. I have those days where I literally come into my studio, I work all day long, and in between that, I'm taking care of animals, I'm being a housewife, and I say that because Nick and I are not technically married yet, though we call each other, you know what I'm saying. There's days where I'm really, really tired, so I just want to come in, use a micellar water, maybe my cleansing balm first, and then go in with this and go to bed. You know what I mean? So, yeah, happy to find that. The next product that I picked up, I always pick these up when I run out or when I'm about to run out, and it's for when you do online sales. And now especially that I'm trying to do more and more giveaways, you have to have thank you cards, and they're only $1. They come 6 to 8 in a pack, and they have the cutest little thank you cards, you guys. I mean, I think so. Nice and simple. I love writing you guys little notes and stuff like that when you win my giveaways, because it's just so, I'm so grateful, you know, that you guys are here supporting me, and when I can do a giveaway, I am all for it. So, everybody knows that the dollar stores tend to have the cutest little coffee mugs, tea mugs, soup mugs, whatever kind of mug. So they're great for gift giving, but they're also great for spoiling yourself a little bit at an affordable price versus going to Hallmark or, you know, an expensive gift shop. It's a last minute birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, whatever, right? And if y'all don't know, now you do, I am completely obsessed with coffee mugs, and I get that from my mama. So when I saw this one, I had to have it. Oh, it looks like it's got, okay, well, the other side's still good. It says Hello Gorgeous, and it's got the little eyelashes on it. You guys, this coffee mug was $2. Look at that big old mug. It's 18 full ounces, so perfect for my coffee. And then I also picked Nick up one as well. So this one I thought was super cute, and it says strong like my coffee, so this one's for Nick. Again, $2. Can't beat that for an 18-ounce coffee mug, so hi. Alright, you guys, I know this is completely different than more so like any of my other dollar store videos, and generally I have loads of new makeup and nails, and guys, they didn't really have much, so you know, and I don't need it, so I just wanted to be an adult that day and haul some stuff that we could use and, you know, spend my money more wisely. So hope you guys will stay tuned for more of my dollar store videos. I do have a Dollar Tree haul coming up soon, pending the weather cooperates. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I love you guys so much. You guys remember to stay safe out there, take care of yourselves and your families, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.